How to hide TikTok videos from one person. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, the process is very easy and simple, so just go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, say for example, I want to hide videos from this person right here. Now, all what I need to do is just click and hold on the video till I get this pop-up window right here, from which I need to click not interested at the top left. And what this will do is it will show you, as TikTok told you right here, fewer videos like that one and from that person. So it will kind of limit that person's reach to your FYP right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide TikTok videos from someone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.